Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my hand stamped gift box. It is simply that. It's a gorgeous little box, 2 inches deep, so 5 centimetres deep. It is 4 by 4, so rubbish with conversions, so 10 by 10 centimetres, and it is just a lovely little gift box. As I say, you can slide the ribbon off or undo it, whichever, but yeah, just I love this stamp set. I love the colours and the combinations, and I thought, why not just hand stamp your own DSP and create this lovely little gift box. So let's go ahead and make it. So I'm going to make the base up first so that it has time to dry. Yeah, so, no, why do I keep getting my trimmer? Goodness me. So, the base of your box, 8 inches by 8 inches, 20 by 20 centimetres, and we are going to score at 2 inches on all 4 sides. Just like so. Fold and burnish. Simple box making, it's just the fun part is stamping. And you can also add your own tags, labels, just, you know, whatever you want, or you can leave it plain. I quite like plain because I think that you can make ahead of time, and then it's ideal for a birthday, a thank you, anything really. You don't need to have a sentiment on, because then it's universal, isn't it? Okay, so crumbs, drop them everywhere. So yeah, sides, 4 corners cut into tabs, and then we're just going to add some adhesive onto the sides here, and then just build it up as normal. Adding fabulous pegs. Don't forget, everything I'm using when this video goes live can be purchased from my online store. Details for that and the link is below, so you can pop on, have a look there. And that's your base made up, so pop that to one side. Then you need your basic white, and this is also 8 by 8. So we're going to stamp first. So I have gone with a similar colour combination here. I've just opted for Calypso Coral instead of Merry Merlot or Merlot. So I'm going to grab some blocks. So I have that one for, oh crumbs, that one for my leaves, and that one for my little blue flower. Okay, so move these out to one side. So I'm going to go with polished pink, and it is just a case of what I call random stamping. Ooh, come back into focus, don't do that. So yeah, it's entirely up to you if you wish to use a pattern of any description. Clean that one, put that away. Then Calypso Coral, my flower, and then just a couple off the edges here, like so. That's that one done. My granny apple green is for my leaves, which you can aim to have coming off your flowers, or you can just have them random. But it's just fun to sort of stamp them wherever you want them, really. Just like that. And then this little blue one is ideal for filling in gaps. So as you can see now, it just adds that different splash of colour wherever you need it. Just random stamping. And that's it. I mean, you can carry on adding bits and bobs if you want, but I'm quite happy to leave that as it is. And then we just need to do our scoring. So I'm just going to grab the first bit of, where is my, I've not got any out for my shims, which is ridiculous. Where's my balmy blue gone? Oh, there it is. Alright, so huge piece of balmy blue here for a shim. But as I say, don't forget your shim. And again, we're just going to score at 2 inches or 5 centimetres. If you want to make this shorter so you can see the base, then you obviously just need to reduce the size of your card slightly, or you could trim it down once you've done this. Oh, crumbs. Oh my goodness, come on now. Don't want this game. There we go. So that's that bit done. Fold and burnish your sides. And then you just need to cut your wedges, which is a shame to cut away this lovely stamping, but that's what we have to do. All 4 corners, just as we did with the base. And then once you've done all of that, if you have a circle punch, then use a circle punch. If not, I use just the double heart punch, and you can measure the sides if you're wanting to make sure your box is central and your score marks, punch marks are the same. So I've just marked the centre there, and then I just use the arch of the heart there. My little pencil mark is in the centre, and it will just cut out those little finger notches that you need on your boxes, especially if your lid is flush to your base. So it just cuts those little bits out there. Add your adhesive into there like so, and then I'm literally just going to put a peg on whilst I go around, because it will just assist it to hold it in place just whilst I do the others. I'm fairly confident I've got adhesive on my grid sheet here as well. Let's just get rid of that. I'll just save that for stamping off at some point. Okay, so that's my lid created. As I say, they were just there to hold it in place whilst I finished it. So I've got my finger notches either side, and then you can just place the lid on to your box, and then all you need is your ribbon. And this is the gorgeous rose gold and white striped ribbon, which I just think is so pretty. It's in the mini Christmas, autumn, winter, July to December catalogue. And then I just, as I say, just made a little bow. This is not going to be quite as long as the other one, but that's okay. Trim that there, and there we have them. Sideways bows, but there they are. I've put that on the wrong way because it's on the edges that I did the notches. So I'll just turn it round and put it on this side. There we go. That's better. There we have it. That is my hand stamped gift box. Hope you find a use for it. Don't forget you could also use Christmas images to stamp this box as well, so it can be made for anything really. But thank you for joining me. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.